Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are all good. Today we start question number 2, product of expressions. Product mean multiplication of two numbers. Now in multiplication we carry different variables. Variable we use x, y or z. Product. Just like 2 multiply 3x. Multiplication we write in two ways: 2 multiply 3x, or we also write 2 into 3x. Their meaning is same. It's also meaning multiplication. Hence we use sign of multiplication. So here 2 is constant and second number is 3x. Here variable is x and coefficient is 3. So first we multiply numerical numbers. 2 3s are 6 and then write variable with him. 6x, also same here, multiplication. 2 3s are 6x. When we multiply two different variables, just like 4x into 3xk. When we multiply two different, when same variables, when multiply x multiply with xk, their power will be add. X its power is 1, so then x plus its power is 2, then power add, then it's become x cube, x3. So here I write example 4x into 3xk. First I multiply their coefficients. Here coefficient is 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Then again I multiply variables with variable x, its power 1 and its power 2. When same variables multiply each other, then their power will be add by the same way. 1 plus 2 x cube. And when we multiply different variables, just like 5x into 7yk, then again we first multiply their coefficient. X coefficient 5 and y square coefficient 7. 5 7s are 35 and different variables. Now we write both as same, x into y square, just like that. Only power add when the same variables multiply each other. So now I take 2 or 3 questions from question number 2. Positive sign. So when we multiply, first we take sign. Which sign we contain? So negative sign multiply with negative sign, minus minus we take plus, and we don't need write plus with a single number. 3 minus minus plus, 3 times are 30, and same variables x and x, and we know that when same variables multiply each other, their power will be add. Its power is 1, its power is 1, so we don't need to write their powers on their heads. So 1 plus 1 2, 30x square, and this is single term, we don't need to write. Now I take part 3, part D, and we know that when we different sign multiply, we get the positive with positive, then we get positive sign, and when we multiply plus with negative, we get negative sign, and when we multiply negative with positive sign, we get negative sign, and when we both negative sign multiply with, we get positive sign. And here first we multiply both signs, minus minus we get plus. Then we multiply their coefficient. 3 10s are 30, and same variables x multiply with x, its power is 1 and its also power is 1, then xk. And when we have single term, so we don't need to write here, mention here positive sign. So simple way product to find the product of expression. In question number 3, question number 2, we only solve simple multiplication of two numbers with variable. Now we expand the expressions, just like 7 into 3x plus 4. 7 into 3x plus 4. So first we multiply 7 with 3x, then 7 multiply with 4. So 7 3s are 21, and its variable x contain as it is. Its sign is plus, also plus 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 plus. 7 4s are 28. Now 4x into 2x plus 7y. 4x into 2x plus 7y. 4x we multiply by single term by term. 4x first we multiply with 2x, then 4x multiply with 7y. So first multiply their coefficients 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, x and x same variables, then power will be add x 1 plus 1 xk. 4 multiply 7, 4 7s are 28, then I multiply with second number, 4 7s are 28, x and y variables, two different variables, then we write as it is. Just look, another look, 4x into 2x plus 7y. So we write as it is, plus 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 4x into 2x. First we multiply 4x by first number, then its sign is plus and also plus. When we multiply two same sign, plus with plus, then we get positive sign, then plus, then 4x into 7y. 4 2s are 8 and x with multiply with x, xk. 4 7s are 28 and x multiply with y. Remain same variables x and y, we write both signs. Now I take 2 or 3 part from exercise. Pause करना था. I take 2 part from exercise 3a, question number 3. First, minus 6 into minus 7x minus 3. First we multiply minus 6 with minus 7x. Then we multiply minus 6 with minus 3. So first we multiply their signs, minus minus plus, and first term also in IRA dimension we don't need to mention positive sign. 6 7s are 42 and its variable x, single variable, this is constant number, so write as it is variable. Then again negative sign with multiply, negative sign, minus minus plus, and the 3 is only constant, no variable contained. 6 3s are 18. So first I multiply minus 6 with minus 7x, then multiply minus 6 with minus 3. So first we multiply their signs, I get 42x plus 18. Second part, E part, 5x into 2 minus 3x. We multiply 5x by the 2 minus 3x. So first 5x multiply with 2. Their coefficient, first multiply their coefficient, 5 2s are 10. Then variable write as it is because only one variable we have. Then positive and minus sign, plus minus minus. Then again first multiply their coefficients, 5 3s are 15. Now we have same variables x and x. And when we have same variables, then we add their powers. Its power is 1 and also power 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. And one problem, student mention their powers just like that. It's a major mistake. We mention their power on the head of variable x and its k. If I write x cube, then on head I mention their power. So for you, little work for you, question number 2 and question number 3 from exercise 3a with examples. Thank you so much.